welcome to BK42. If you ride in traffic, a dashcam like this one is essential for safety. This is the AKY-710S that promises reliable footage, easy setup, and only $116 price tag. But does it truly deliver? And can it replace my action cameras? Let's find out. Inside the box, you get everything you need to start filming in no time. The camera itself, a solid mounting bracket, a charging cable, a 64 micro SD card, and user manual. No need to buy extras. This is ready to go right away. Installing is incredibly easy. Simply mount the bracket on the handlebar, tighten it securely, attach the camera, lock it in place, and you are all set. If you opted for the GPS cable, keep in mind that it needs to be connected to a power source. In my case, I'm using a power bank, but it can be connected to any USB port. There is no screen, but that's okay. Everything is managed through the mobile app. As soon as you power it on, recording starts automatically. Adjusting settings takes a bit of getting used to, since functions are controlled by a combination of button presses. Now, let's talk about performance. The AKY-710S captures clean footage, perfect for a dashcam. The sharpness is excellent. You can read car plates and street signs easily. Even at a distance, it does a great job picking up important details. In daylight, the image is sharp and clear, while in low light conditions, it still performed quite well. Now, if you're thinking this could replace an action camera, here's the catch. There is almost no stabilization. The footage can get quite shaky, especially on rough terrain. It really depends on how you use your action camera. Personally, I need a lot of stabilization, high frame rates, voice controls, and more. So for me, it won't replace my action cameras for now. But as a dashcam, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It is extremely easy to use. Everything is controlled with just one button. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power it on and start recording. And a quick press, take a photo while recording. That's it. This is a nice feature, but don't expect high quality images. The pictures look a bit like CCTV footage, usable but not impressive. Battery life is solid, up to 5 hours in HD mode. And if you need more storage, the 64GB micro SD card is replaceable. There is also an optional GPS cable designed to overlay speed and raw data. However, I couldn't get it to work. Initially, I didn't connect a power bank supply to the second end of the cable. Akeeyo support told me to use a power bank, which I tried, but the GPS data still didn't show up. After reaching out to Akeeyo again, they discovered that I had received the wrong GPS cable. They are sending the correct one, but sadly, it's too late for this video. I will provide an update on the GPS issue as soon as I receive the new cable. Here are some raw images captured at different resolutions. Here's the breakdown. Pros: affordable price at $115.99. Sharp image quality for a dash cam. Easy to install and use. Collision detection. Time-lapse mode. Auto recording feature. Long battery life, up to 5 hours. Replaceable SD card. Cons. No screen, everything is app controlled. No stabilization. I wasn't able to get the GPS to work. Is the AKY-710S worth it? Well, I would say yes for bikers needing hassle-free ride recording or insurance footage. It captures sharp videos automatically at a great price. Plus, you can use it on a motorcycle or a car just by swapping the mount. Will it replace my action cameras? Well, I don't think so. The image looks a bit outdated, and without stabilization and other features, it's not ideal for my production. But for a dashcam, it's a great deal. If you are looking for a simple, reliable dashcam for your bike, the AKY-710S is a solid choice for the price. Check out the link in the description for more details. Alright folks, I have one question for you. Would you use a bike dashcam? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, cheers!